Here I have Motorola Moto G10, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly, you'll have to hold down power key, and after you see this turn off menu, you have to hold down your finger on the power off button, and after you see this reboot to safe mode window, tap OK, and after that your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to exit safe mode and go back to the normal mode, what you have to do is to just restart your device, and after that it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.